Decision Plus has been and still is a leading stock market service provider. From training to coaching, we cover it all. Try both our software as well as our coaching site, completely free for 10 days without obligation. No credit card is needed to sign up for the trial. The trial subscription will be automatically canceled for you at the end. DecisionPlus.com, your stock market service center. Real-time coaching has been created. We search and classify critical reports and technical movements. You can visualize or hear the best buying and selling opportunities. Get real-time advice all day long and 3 live coaching shows per day. Let us do the work and save your time for trading. Try MarketGurus.tv free without obligation for 10 days in the menus above. Market Vision Plus is the trading companion of so many investors. Make your fundamental and technical analysis easy with Canada's #1 stock market decision-making software. Research, decide, and follow your positions with Market Vision Plus. See the menus just above this program and try Market Vision Plus for 10 days without any obligation after the show. When it comes to day trading, Trader Plus is the right tool. Track 50 quotes simultaneously. Create dozens of quick lists. Display as many as 30 real-time intraday charts at the same time. Watch the action with candlesticks or bar charts as fast as 10 seconds. See the market by sectors. Use the chart models already prepared for you. Try Trader Plus for 10 days in the menu above without any obligation.
Okay, hi everybody. Welcome to Swing Trading Show, Wednesday, February 27. Okay, well, we had a very negative market at the beginning. We just got some rebound in the last couple of hours, and now it seems to be near changing direction again. So we'll see. The sector were not very nice this morning. Let's see it. On the Dow right now, we had a movement on the energy sector. I will come back to it after. I was thinking at buying a position right now, but so I'm still waiting to see the cycle coming back towards the top, and it just doesn't want to do it. And in most sector in the U.S., you can see they're all under the zero line or very close to it. And the only 2 sectors produced this morning, the energy sector and the biotech sector, as you see IBB going up here, and within a sideways movement at the moment, so it may not be over, but that's the only thing that worked this morning. Nothing is very interesting. There's so many things going on right now. The U.S. president is meeting the Korean president today, and so many things. There's also a new investigation that in the United States, because they are saying that certain product in steel constructed in Canada, China, and Mexico could have been sold in the country at a lower price than the fair price. So I don't know exactly what it means, but I suggest that we remain prudent a little bit right now. So the market is not really favorable, as you can see on the index right here. That after the changing direction. We had a false signal 2 days ago, and since the whole market now it became sideways again. Threatening its support sometime at a resistance level, quite important. I'm not sure what the market is going to do. It's not very positive right now. The only thing that was nice was the energy sector, because look, the crude oil this morning went up at the opening with the big gap and then came down. When the inventory came out, the crude oil did produce some result here, but it's going sideways since quite a while. And look, right now it's coming towards the support again. So the energy stock went up on it this morning. So I was about to open a position while it began a correction, and right now we have a sideways movement, a double top, and the market's coming back again. So I'm waiting to see the market, the energy sector coming through the bullseye here before opening a position, because that's the only thing that's interesting today. So but I want to be sure that the movement is strong enough. So which is not. We had many signals this morning, and many of them happen to be false signals. So we got to be very prudent. And look at the gold. The price of gold was breaking out today, and so the gold stock continued toward the support. So we have to avoid the gold stock again, and also the mining, because now the mining is also changing direction. So I look at the Turquoise Hill that went down quite a bit this morning. Correction for quantum. Hudbay still near a signal, but not strong enough. Tech is under correction as well. So in most sector, every sector are neutral, following a trading range. Some since quite a long time, a month and a half for consumer discretionary, younger on others, but it's totally sideways everywhere, including the financials and the industrials, and also technology sector, the staples. So the market is so sideways. So the number of sideways movement on stocks, is increasing quite a bit right now. So so there's not the market isn't positive enough to find really good stuff. So I'd like to, but it's not what the market is proposing right now. And also there was a Laurentian Bank on very bad earnings this morning that went down. LB here, you see big corrections, because last year they had 59.7 million profit. This year it went down to 40, so from 59 to 40. So that was a big deception for investors. So the stock went down. And MXR here, actually we got a downward signal on MXR not long ago. Where is it? I thought I had it here somewhere. No. Okay, so let's bring it back. MXR, that's on Venture V, MXR. So if you look at the stock on its daily chart, it looks good. You see, the stock has a big volume today, but it got stuck. Let's see it this way. Okay, so you see the stock went up on heavy volume this morning, but when the stock has reached its resistance, it started going sideways, and right now it's slightly coming back. So unless it passes the 50 cents, it's no longer a good buy condition, because this is a triple resistance. It's very important. So we want the correction to end soon. Right now, as it is right now, shouldn't go any further than that. And we don't want it to go any further, because 45 cents would be the selling point, because if it breaks through this new support, it's going to come down right at the bottom. So right now 50 cents and over is going to be the next buying price. I bought HGD when TTGD broke. Okay, HGD. Okay, at 827. When you bought HGD. Okay, let's put it here. When TTGD broke. Okay, there and there. Okay, so let's go here. Okay, TTGD and HGD. Okay, so when broke 189.48, so 189.48, it's not very far away. 189.48, it's right here. Okay, so it's the other way. You got cut on this little rebound there, where I do see next support. So it's complicated because you don't give me the price of HGD, you give me the price of TDGD. So when it makes for me a big calculation to do that, so I have to compare where it was, So 189.48 is like 189.50. Okay, so that means here. So you bought a HGD when TTGD was going up, so your HGD is not in profit right now. Okay, so if and now you are facing a trend reversal, so the place to buy a HGD would have been here and here and here, on the way down, but you did it on the way up here. So I would do the same thing here. If TTGD, if TTGD passes 190.30, then you have to escape this. Okay, that's all I have as a question right now. Okay, so that's what I thought. The market was slowing down. It did. It went sideways, and now it's just about to provide a new signal. So we have to watch this thing because on the way down there, it's going to be tough to buy anything on the upside. So there is going to be the answer, though. So all markets are doing the same thing right now. So there's a strong possibility that we return towards the bottom of the day there. And forget about the cannabis too. There was nothing interesting there this morning. It was down, and we had a little pullback, and look, it's facing downward again in many stocks. And look at Tilray coming back down. Will not pass this resistance. So for now, NBV looks bad. They went down, and there's no rebound at all. XO also is going down, and there's not much of a rebound. So avoid the cannabis. It's not really the proper time. So I'm still waiting to see if USO will break out once more. That means that in this eventuality, maybe TTEN will break this double top here, and that's what I'm waiting for to buy in a position, probably CNQ or something like that, or maybe Chesapeake also in New York. But the movement has to prove himself as a good movement. So okay, the Pat, about your TTGD, you may have a chance here because we have a downtrend right now on the gold, and without having passed this resistance there, it seems like the rebound is getting to its end. So whenever the rebound accelerates on the downside there, you may have a chance to get out of that position without too much damage. Sold RNX with a profit. RNX. Royal Nickel with a profit at 74. I look for support. Is it 58? Sold RNX with profit at 74. Okay, right there. And why are you asking for the support? Actually, the support has been passed already, and the volume remains higher than average. and even though there was a couple of it's a 50 days average volume here, and with those big volumes, so it makes the average higher, and it's still at half a day the volume has passed the volume average, and the stock keeps going down. So this support is no longer valid. You know, I think we can expect to see the stock right down to its bottom at it's 45 cents support, which is its major support right there, and this is it. Okay, so check that out, because now it seems like the market is coming down again. The only thing that is worthwhile to be watched now, it's the energy sector, which maybe USO could break out once more, and the stock could also break this double top. And at the moment, that's the only interesting thing that I can see. So this is it for today, folks. Thank you very much for attending. We'll catch you later.
Thank you.